Hi grade 4s, we're going to look at centimeters and meters today, and meters and kilometers. So I'm first going to start off with the 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. And if I wanted to take my centimeter and turn it and convert it into a meter, I would have to divide it by 100. And if I wanted to convert my meters into centimeters, I would need to times it by 100. Okay. So if I've got 736 centimeters and I wanted to turn them into meters, I would need to divide by 100. And so that's quite simple if we break our number up. So if we had to break this up into 700 plus 36, and then we said divide by 100, then I could say 700 can easily divide by 100, because those will just cancel out, and I end up with 7, and that would be 7 meters. And then I've got this 36 left over, and I'm sure you can guess that that is going to be 36 centimeters. Okay, and if we had to do that the other way, where, for example, I had 73 meters, and I had to convert that into centimeters. Okay, I'm going to times it, and all you're doing is you're adding on the zeros. So that's going to then become 7,300 meters. Nope, centimeters. Sorry. Okay, and now I'm going to go on to our kilometers and meters. So starting off, 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So that is really far. So we're talking like a whole entire rugby field plus kind of thing. If you had to run around the school fields a whole bunch, or if you've done early morning running with Mrs. Wiesinger in the first term, or even in the previous years, you would know you run a good few kilometers. Okay, so that's really used to measure distance of like car travel or people who run a very far way. And if I was going to convert these, that I would need to divide by 1,000 to take it from meters to kilometers. And then if I was going to convert it from kilometers to meters, it's going to be times 1,000. So these are super big numbers. Okay, but it's actually really simple because we're working with zeros. It's really easy just to either take them away or add them on. So I'll show you this. If I have, let's just do 7,364 meters. That's a lot. And I was going to take it all the way to kilometers. I'm going to need to divide. And so we do that really nice, easy thing where we break this up into 7,000 plus 364. Now we say divide. And I'd love to see this working out in your book if you are going to be doing these sums, or even if you just do it on the side or on a piece of paper. You must send me this so I can see that you're breaking your sums down and making this super easy for yourself. 1, 2, 3. And there they go. And I'm end up with 7 kilometers. And how many meters? 364 meters were left over. Okay, and I'm going to do it the other way around for you, where I go from kilometers to meters. And let's just do something really nice and simple, like 64 kilometers. And now we want to turn that, or even let's just do 6 kilometers. Now we want to turn that into meters. We're going to times it now because we're going from our small to big. We're timesing, and it's just 6 times 1,000, and that's just going to be 6,000. And you must tell me kilometers, please. You must always add it in. Okay.